Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Dimma here. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of my favorite lipsticks at the moment. I realized recently that there are some lipsticks that I use a lot, almost on a weekly basis, that I have just not had the chance or opportunity to plug into a video here on YouTube. And I feel like it's crazy because how? Some of these lipsticks I've been loving since as far back as December last year. And I've worn a couple of them on Instagram. And every single time that I have these lipsticks on Instagram, I always get a lot of questions. You guys can see that I don't have any color on my lips right now, and it's because I plan to swatch these as I talk about them in this video. I'm going to start from the really light colored nude ones and just gradually move on to the very bright dark colored ones, if that makes any sense. The first lipstick that I have here is from a brand called GUERLAIN. I feel like every single time I say the name of this brand, I have to just put a disclaimer immediately afterwards because guys, my French is not so good and it's a French brand, and in the past I used to pronounce this as GUERLAIN. Okay, as an English speaker, it makes complete sense that I would pronounce the brand name like that, but it's actually GUERLAIN or something like that. That's how I hear almost every French person pronounce it. This particular lipstick is from their ROUGE collection, and this shade is 777. By the way, it comes in a case like this. With this particular line of lipsticks that they have, they don't really come in cases, so you have to choose a case when you're purchasing, and it comes in different colors, really nice colors. I chose gold for this particular shade that I have right now. It looks like this, and you guys can see that this has some scratches on it because I always throw it into my bag. It is well used. The case comes with a little mirror so that you can just apply the lipstick on the go. This is what the shade looks like. So it's a very pale gold. At first, the first time I saw this, I was like, what's this? This is probably going to give me that metallic yellow kind of 90s lipstick look that I don't really like that much. But then I swatched this and it was very sheer. It's very sheer and buildable as well. So I'm going to show you guys the swatch that I've done here real quick. So swatched, it looks like this. It looks like some of my favorite lip glosses, I'm not going to lie, but then I love the fact that this lip color is sheer. I love the fact that it's not matte. I love the fact that it's really creamy, and I love the fact that it's buildable. I've said this a couple of times on this channel, but when it comes to bright lip colors like this, I always love it when they are sheer and they're not matte. It gives you a lot of control, especially for people who are my complexion. I'm going to swatch this real quick, and I also love this because it reminded me of some lip glosses that I had owned in the past. I've seen some people, I'm going to line my lips real quick. I've seen some people say that they don't like this particular shade. Basically with this lipstick, if you're looking for a bright gold that is super pigmented, this is not the lipstick for you. But then if you're looking for something sheer, something that you can wear like every day, doesn't look like your average everyday lipstick, then I'd highly recommend this. So with this, I always line my lips with a brown pencil. You can use any brown lip pencil that you have. You guys can see that it doesn't look like I have a lot going on my lips right now, and that's the reason why I love this a lot. I love to pair this with like my everyday, very neutral looks. And sometimes when my eyes are also really busy, if I have like a bold, dramatic eye on, I would wear this lip color. I really love it. It's very everyday, but with a hint of something special. I love the fact that you can see the flecks of gold. I love the fact that my lips aren't really like shiny, don't have that glossy look to them. And the truth is that a lot of lip colors that would give you this gold, slightly metallic finish, they are always very glossy, because they are glosses. This isn't glossy, but then you have that very nice gold shimmer. If you're here in Nigeria, you can buy GUERLAIN products from Essenza or Beauty Bar. I'm going to put the Nigerian price somewhere here on the screen. I really love this lipstick. If you're in America, Sephora. In a lot of countries, Sephora actually. In the UK, stores like Selfridges, I think John Lewis, they tend to carry this brand. Just check stores that carry it in your country, then you see a price. In the States, I know that it sells for $33. This is a very good lipstick. I really love it. It's on the high end, but I love it. The next lip color from my list is from HUDA Beauty, and this is their matte lipstick in Joyride. This is one of their bullet lipsticks, and this one is in Joyride. It's a very nice, like, mauvey nude shade. When it comes to nude lip colors, this is the type of color that I tend to gravitate towards, more than pinks, more than browns, because I feel like they complement my skin tone a lot better than those other two, like nude colors that are in the other two families that I just mentioned. Huda Beauty does deliver to Nigeria. This particular lipstick sells for $25. Just like with the first lipstick, with this, I have to line my lips with a brown lip pencil as well. So this next, just going to go back and line my lips a little bit. So this lipstick is very pigmented. Most of the bullet lipsticks from Huda Beauty, all of them, not most actually, are very, very pigmented. But then I'm never heavy-handed when it comes to this. I just do like one layer. I don't go over it and do like 2 or 3 layers, no. Because I'm not really after coverage that much. I don't want to just cover my entire lips and have it look this shade. If I do this shade completely, then I'll just look a bit dead. So never heavy-handed when it comes to this. Just line my lips with a very nice brown lip pencil. If I want a matte finish, I just leave my lips like this, lined with a brown pencil, applied very lightly. I love it, perfect. However, sometimes I just want a little bit of gloss. So what I do is I go in with a very light mauve lip gloss, okay? So this lip gloss and this lipstick, they are both in the same family. If you're going to be doing this with any nude color, I would highly recommend that the lighter color that you use, the gloss, is in the same like shade family as the first color that you applied. And this particular lip gloss is the NK Makeup Lip Shine Lip Gloss, and it's in number A63. You see, just on the center of my lips, I didn't apply the gloss all over, and I love the fact that it just highlights the center of my lips here. Makes my lips look a lot fuller. This sells for $25. I don't know if I said that already. Huda Beauty delivers to Nigeria. They deliver to Nigeria via DHL. If you've not seen my video on brands that deliver to Nigeria, I'm going to have it linked right on top of this video. Guys, check that video out. It is very, very helpful. This is my favorite nude combo, not even kidding. I love the way my lips look right now. The third lipstick on my list is from Fenty Beauty. This is their Mademoiselle matte lipstick in Flamingo Acid. This is the lip color that I had on the pictures that I put up on my birthday back in June. I got so many questions when it came to that particular lip color, guys. I used it here on this channel for a tutorial. You guys already saw that, but in case you missed it, I love this lip color so much. It's called Flamingo Acid. Can you see how rough it looks? It's because I have used it quite a lot. The one thing that I really love about Fenty Beauty's Mademoiselle lipsticks is the size, the shape of them actually. They're a lot thinner, a lot slimmer than your average lipstick, and the thing I like about this tube and the size is that it makes it really easy to just apply this in the really tight corners, you know. With lipsticks that are average sized, I find that whenever I have to get into the inner corners and all that jazz, I have to go in with a lip brush. You don't have to do that with this. And I'm not going to be lining my lips at all. This thing is that pigmented, okay? Can you guys see this lipstick? I love this thing so much. I did a top 5 pink lipsticks for women of color a couple of months back, and I felt so bad that I didn't have this lipstick in that video. I was just like, oh my gosh, I should have put this in that video. This is such a gorgeous lipstick, guys. It is so freaking gorgeous. I got this lipstick when I traveled early this year, and it sold for $18. Guys, this is such a gorgeous lipstick. I just feel bad that Fenty Beauty does not deliver to Nigeria and a lot of African countries, so you just have to maybe ask someone in the States or in the UK to help you get this, or use a door-to-door company. But if you're outside of Africa, outside of Nigeria, you're in Europe or in North America, this shouldn't be hard for you to get at all. It's such a gorgeous lipstick, very pigmented. I didn't use a lip liner, you guys saw. It's not drying. It's a matte lipstick, but it's not drying. The formula is very creamy, but then it doesn't have a sheen to it. I really love this lipstick a lot. It's my current go-to pink lipstick. It's so gorgeous. The fourth lipstick on my list is from ABH Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it's a very nice bright blue lipstick. Guys, I realized recently that I had gotten rid of most of my really like bright colorful lipsticks. Those things used to be it for me back in the day. Very bright purples, greens, blues, I decided to try this one out and I really loved it. It's a nice dark navy blue. And the thing about this is that I don't wear this every day. I don't even wear it when my eyes are busy. Like, I wear this when I have little to nothing going on my eyes, okay? I wear this everywhere, to the bank, wherever. Look me, I look you, okay? I don't care. But then I love it. It's such a gorgeous color, and it's ABH matte lipstick in cobalt. This is also very pigmented. I'm not going to be lining my lips before I apply this. My application when it comes to this is not the best. I don't think that it's very precise, but I wanted to show you guys the color. It's a very nice, like, it looks very navy blue in the tube. It is still navy blue, but then it's like a very vibrant type of navy blue. Because it's matte, when you start applying it at first, you might think that you're not going to get a lot of color payoff, but this lipstick layers really well, and that's one of the reasons why I love it. Before this, the only other dark blue lipstick that I really loved was from Kat Von D. I can't even remember what it's called, but then it was a liquid lipstick, and I've never used or seen a lipstick in a tube that was this pigmented, like not liquid, just a tube lipstick, and then you get a lot of color payoff with it. You get this with most ABH and matte lipsticks anyways, but then I love the fact that this color applies really well. ABH does deliver to Nigeria, and just like the Fenty Beauty Mademoiselle lipsticks, they are $18. ABH delivers to Nigeria. You get your order in about 5 days. If you've not seen that video again of brands that deliver to Nigeria, I'd highly recommend that you go watch it. It helps a lot. Every time that I want to wear something out of the norm, this is one of those colors that I go to, and I just really love it. I really love it. It's the only crazy color that I'm really crazy about right now. My lips are a bit stained right now, and it's to be expected because I've used some really dark, intense colors. You guys know, Sha, that I would not do a top 5 lipstick without having a red shade. Guys, I love red lipsticks so much. With that said, I don't know how nobody told me about this lip color, okay? This one that I am going to be talking about. This is Sephora's Cream Lip Stain in number 1. Guys, my auntie came back for Christmas last year, and she just wore this and she came out. I was like, what do you have on your lips? And she showed me this. I was like, okay, just give it to me. Thank you, don't mention. And that was it. I was like, bye-bye. I took this from her. I have already finished the tube that I took from her. I bought 2 more. That's how much I love this liquid lipstick here. It is such a gorgeous shade of red, okay? I don't know how. I guess maybe if I lived in a country where there was a Sephora, I would have tried this at a point, but I didn't, because most of the things I go to Sephora to look for are always based on recommendations, maybe from new launches and stuff like that. This has been around for like a very long time, and it is such a gorgeous shade. It sells for $14. It's the cheapest lipstick that I have on this list. I'm not going to lie, I know that most of the lip colors that I've mentioned so far are on the high end, but they are worth the money if you decide to get any of them. So I'm going to swatch this real quick just so that you guys will see how gorgeous and amazing this lip color is. I'm not going to be lining my lips. It's a very pigmented liquid lipstick. Can you guys see this red? Okay, can you see this red? I'm just waiting for it to dry down. It dries down to a very powdery matte finish. You know when they say fire engine red, this is the red that they're talking about. This is that red. You know that there are like blue toned red and they're like orangey type of reds. This is more in the orange family. It's like my favorite red lipstick right now. It looks good on me no matter the hairstyle. If you've not checked this out, check it out. If you live in a place where there is a Sephora, try this. It's a very gorgeous red lip color. Guys, I love it so much. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. I don't even know why I'm laughing. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, guys. I'm serious. Subscribe, okay? And also in the comment section, tell me what else you guys would like me to do a top 5s on. I'll see you guys in my next one.